Hey guys, they call me Patronn, and this is Brooklyn Mitsubishi. So we come from our new headquarters here, and what we've done is we're opening a department, internet sales. So what does that mean? Basically, for those buyers out there that were out of state, out of New York, we're gonna try to give you the Amazon experience. So basically, you're gonna be dealing with the same person from A to Z. Okay, they're gonna be able to take photos of the car, FaceTime you with the vehicle, send you videos of the vehicle. Any questions you have, you're gonna be able to go on our website, brooklynmitsubishi.com, and you'll be able to buy the vehicle from there. The only thing you're gonna do is come sign your paperwork, okay, and the car will be shipped to you. So pretty much the car will be shipped anywhere in the country, okay. We'll discuss everything. We'll do everything pretty much transparent over the phone, and we're also gonna have this technology. You'll be able to sign everything online as well. So trading's welcome, okay. Very aggressive, one of the most aggressive pricing that we have in the entire country right now. So coming down Brooklyn Mitsubishi, call us, shop us 24/7. Click the link below. The website is there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me as well, Patronn.